In this video, I'll show you how to get the latest Block Blast update. So as you can see, I have my Block Blast in here and I am on the latest version. And in order to get this latest version, there are a couple of things that you can do, which I will show you right now. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to be sure that you have your device updated to the latest version. So on iOS, this will be the latest iOS update, and on Google Play, this will basically be the latest Android update. And how can you check this? I will show you right now. So you're going to your settings, and from your settings, you're going to General, and in here you see Software Update, and on an Android device, this will be similar. And as you can see, I am up to date, so this can be no issue. And then the next thing that you can do is you can go over to your App Store, and in here you're going to search for Block Blast. And in here, you should click on Update when it says Update, because this is the way how you can get the latest Block Blast update. And it's really important that you have your device updated to the latest version, because otherwise this update might not be visible. So that way you aren't able to do the update. So please make sure you do this. And if you do all those things, you will be able to get the latest Block Blast update. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.